Hi, I'm Brian Trenchard-Smith, and this is Trailers from Hell. If you share my affection for offbeat, whimsical comedies, here's a Swedish-French co-production you'll enjoy. Its humour is sometimes dry, sometimes farcical. It's a lot of fun. I met the filmmakers Ola Simonsson and Johannes Nielsen at a festival screening. They told me the idea started in 2001 with their well-received short film, Music for One Apartment and Six Drummers. Then it took 8 years to expand the concept, finance, and produce the feature film version. The director's vision is enhanced by the collaboration of two female department heads. It's shot in carefully composed scope by Carlotta Tengroth, with color-popping design by Cecilia Sterner. Together they create a great look. Yay, women in film. Here's the trailer. This is a movie about 6 guerrilla percussionists who use everyday objects as musical instruments. They invade civic and cultural institutions to stage anarchic public performances. In front of horrified bank employees, they feed money into a shredding machine just to create a distorted bass sound. Soon the police are on their trail, led by the tone-deaf son of a distinguished musical family who christened him, of all names to avoid, Amadeus. Consequently, he hates music and musicians. The anarchists have to keep one step ahead of the law while staging their symphony in 4 different venues. The musical sequences are the wackiest in Jean-Pierre Jeunet's delicatessen. For instance, they kidnap a windbag TV reporter about to undergo hemorrhoid surgery and play a piece entitled "Doctor, Doctor, Give Me Gas in My Ass." It's not only a musical comedy, it's a comedy for musicians for whom there's another whole layer of chuckles. The filmmakers and their cast took the concept seriously. Guided by avant-garde composer Magnus Borgesson, who also plays one of the gang, they spent 4 years polishing the script and experimenting with potential instruments to make sure their creative percussion worked both sonically and visually. Their labor of love has been acclaimed at multiple film festivals. Check it out.